Hello friends, how are you? I am Ajay Roy, working as Senior Accounting Manager in XYZ Company. आज के वीडियो में हम टॉप जीएसटी रिलेटेड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और उनके सैंपल आंसर्स देखेंगे। वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस कर दे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, आई एम एलेक्स। गुड मॉर्निंग एलेक्स, प्लीज हैव अ सीट। Thank you, sir. Shall we start the interview? Yes, sir. What is GST? GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is a comprehensive indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services throughout India to replace multiple cascading taxes. How is GST different from the previous tax system? Unlike the previous tax system, GST is a destination-based tax that eliminates the cascading effect of taxes by integrating various taxes into a single tax. What are the different components of GST? GST has two main components: central GST, CGST, levied by the central government, and state GST, SGST, levied by the state government. For interstate transactions, integrated GST, IGST, is applied. Can you explain the concept of input tax credit in GST? Input tax credit allows businesses to offset the taxes they have paid on inputs against the taxes they are liable to pay on their output. It ensures that tax is levied only on the value addition at each stage of the supply chain. What is the GST Council and what is its role? The GST Council is a constitutional body in India responsible for making recommendations on issues related to GST. It consists of representatives from the central and state governments and decides on tax rates, exemptions, and other matters. How does GST benefit consumers? GST benefits consumers by eliminating the cascading effect of taxes, resulting in reduced tax burden on the end consumer. It also promotes a transparent and simplified tax structure. Can you explain the concept of reverse charge mechanism in GST? The reverse charge mechanism requires the recipient of goods or services to pay the tax instead of the supplier. This is applicable in specific situations outlined by the GST law. What is the threshold limit for GST registration? The threshold limit for GST registration is 20 lakh rupees for businesses involved in the supply of goods and 10 lakh rupees for service providers. However, certain special category states have different limits. How does GST impact small businesses? GST simplifies the taxation process for small businesses by unifying various taxes. The threshold limit exempts many small businesses, and those registered can benefit from input tax credit. Can you name a few items exempted from GST? Some items exempted from GST include essential food items, healthcare services, educational services, and certain agricultural products. Very good, Alex. Thank you, sir. That's it for today. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट जरूर करिएगा। बाय, टेक केयर।